In this video, I will show you how you can fix if your Samsung tablet keeps turning off. Now currently we're not facing this issue, but if you're facing this issue, just follow the steps mentioned in the video so you can properly fix your problem. Now if you're facing this issue, first of all, just remove any hard case which you have applied on your tablet. Because if you're using a hard case on your tablet, this can interfere with the working of the buttons on your tablet. And also there might be any dust or debris stuck in the buttons of your tablet. Now to fix this issue, just apply some isopropyl alcohol on a soft cloth and rub the cloth on the buttons. And after that, just press the buttons multiple times to remove any dust and debris which might be stuck there and to free up the buttons. Now if you have done that and if this did not fix your issue, then just follow the next method. For that, just perform a force restart on your tablet. Now to do that, just press and hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time until you see the Samsung logo on the screen. Now let's do this. Just press and hold the power button and the volume down button. Now just keep pressing and holding both of these buttons until you see the Samsung logo on the screen. Once you see the Samsung logo, just release both of the buttons. Once the restart process is completed, then just check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just open the control center on your tablet. And after that, just tap on the power icon. After you open the power menu, just tap and hold on the power off icon until you see safe mode. Then just tap on safe mode and wait for a couple of seconds until your tablet enters into safe mode. Now if you have noticed that your issue has been fixed after your tablet entered into safe mode, then this indicates that a third-party app which you have installed is causing this issue. Now to fix this issue, just go to Settings. Now in the main settings page, just scroll down and tap on Apps. From this app list, just look for any third-party app which you have installed recently. Now for an example, I will select this app, and after that, just tap on Uninstall. Now do that for any third-party app which you have installed recently, and also delete any suspicious app which you don't remember installing. Now if you have done all that and if none of these methods worked, then just follow the next method. But before that, just perform a restart on your tablet to turn off safe mode. Now for the next method, just go to Settings. From here, just scroll down and tap on Device Care. On this page, just tap on Auto Optimization and check if this feature has been enabled or not. If the Auto Restart feature has been enabled, just disable both of these options to disable Auto Restart on your tablet. After you do that, then just tap on General Management, and from here just tap on Reset. On this page, just select Reset All Settings, then tap on Reset Settings. Now just enter your lock screen PIN or pattern, and after that just tap on Reset. And by doing this, you will not delete any data of your tablet. You will just reset all the settings of your tablet in case if you have enabled a setting which might be causing this issue. But if you have done all that and if none of these methods worked, then you might have a hardware problem with your tablet. Just take your tablet to any service center and they will fix your issue. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.